Good morning, everyone. Good to see you all. Hope you're all doing great. Some people are joining in, so we'll start off in another few minutes. So, what I'm going to talk to you about is something which is very close to my heart. So, my topic for today is importance of self-care. So, before I start off, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Divya. I am basically from Kerala but born and brought up in Delhi. I did my graduation from Miranda House, Delhi University, and then I did my master's in HR and marketing from Delhi. I was working with a leading business association in Delhi, and then I got married. My husband, he has close to 17 years of experience in the IT industry. Now we are settled in Bangalore since last 10 years, and we have a beautiful 5-year-old daughter. So coming to my topic for today, importance of self-care. So as women, we do so much for others, be it our family, be it our kids, anybody and everybody. But then what about ourselves? Do we take care of ourselves the same way? I know many of you smiling out there because you know the answer is no. No, we don't take care of ourselves the same way. Self-care is something which is very important if you're a woman, and more important if you're a mother. No, I read somewhere, unless you replenish your own reserves, you will not be left with anything to give it to anybody else. Taking my example, when my daughter was born, I made sure I gave the best to her. In terms of, I made sure I give the best to her, my family, etc. But then, what I was trying to achieve was perfection. And in the journey of becoming a perfect mother, perfect wife, etc., I was burning out. There were even days, there was no energy left at the end of the day to do something. I didn't even know मुझे क्या पसंद है, क्या करना चाहिए. There was no happiness, I would say. There was so much of stress, so much of unhappiness, I would say. It was definitely reflecting in my actions. The frustration, the unhappiness, it was showing on my face, it was reflecting in my actions, and I was not happy about it. It was not a good feeling. I know many of you could relate to me. But then I wanted to practice self-care. But then there was no help, or I would say there are no options through which I could do that. Self-care is, I can just give you an example here. Take the example of a bucket. A bucket has certain capacity. If you keep on taking water from it, there would be a point when you need to refill it. The same is our case. If we don't practice self-care and we keep giving it to others, there would be a point when you would not be left with anything for yourself. Another perfect example I could think of here is, take the example of plane. When we board a plane, you would have all heard about the safety announcement. What do they say? In case of any emergency, make sure you wear your own oxygen mask first before helping others. Do you think it is selfish? At some point of time, I felt it is selfish. But then it took me some time to understand that it is not. Self-care is something which needs to be practiced by each one of us. It is different for everybody. Even I wanted to practice self-care, but then there was always guilt factor attached to it. I used to feel, I would say, कुछ करना था अपने लिए, but then हमेशा लगता था कि कैसे करें, या फिर is it something which is really good. And I would say it is during that time I came across this Reskill Nation platform. It is through this platform I learned some high value skills in the domain of internet and social media, health and wellness. And when I started applying these skills in my daily life, I could see magical difference in things, how things started unfolding. I was more productive, people around me were happy, and most importantly, I was happy. When I started applying these skills, I would say, initially when I got to know about this platform, I was not very confident. But when I took this up, it gave me a lot of confidence. It gave me an awareness as to self-care is something which is important, and this is something which needs to be practiced on a daily basis. This is not a one-time activity. This is something which needs to be practiced on a regular basis, because we have different roles to play. And thanks to this platform, I learned some high value skills, through which I could empower my family, my friends, and also lot of people around me. I would say strangers whom I don't even know. But thanks to social media and internet, I am able to make an impact in their lives. When I know each one of you want to learn those skills, but then there is definitely something which is stopping us. It can be time, it can be money, it can be family, anything. I was no different. I had the same set of problems. But thank God I took this course up, because through this course, I was able to learn those skills from the comfort of my home, without any monetary investments. ऐसा और कहाँ मिलता है ना, जहाँ पे आप इतना कुछ सीख सकते हो. And that is actually, I would say, the best part. Initially, I know it was not easy. It took me some time to take that decision, but then now when I look back, I feel so blessed that yes, thank God I took this course up, so that I am able to add lot of value to people around me. But most importantly, I am happy, and I am that self-realization is always there. Thanks to this course, the first hour of my day every day goes in self-realization. I read, I exercise, because that time is something for myself, and that sets the note for a perfect day. I feel so blessed. So I would encourage each one of you to take this course up, not for anybody else, but for yourself. At the end, I just want to end with this quote. When you are saying yes to others, make sure you're not saying no to yourself. I repeat, when you're saying yes to others, make sure you're not saying no to anyone, no to yourself. It was great talking to all of you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of yourself. It's me, Divya, signing off. Bye guys.